Welcoming all of you in the demonstration video of our latest innovation in hardness testing, the load cell based touchscreen binaural hardness tester model THB 3000 ADT. This machine offers faster, more accurate and more initiative testing thanks to its load cell and touchscreen interface. In this machine, a wide testing range is available which is applied through the load cell. User can select the load cell simply through the touch panel. The minimum load which is applied in this machine is 62.5 kgf and the maximum load which is applied in this machine is 3000 kgf. To select the load, user only need to click the desired load, then press OK and it will be automatically selected. This machine also comes with a digital 10x eyepiece. That means the impression which is made on the machine will be directly seen on the eyepiece and user only need to measure the diameter of that impression with the help of this eyepiece and it will automatically detected here and give the hardness value. The resolution of this eyepiece is 0.1 micron which automatically increase the accuracy of the machine. For measuring the diameter, user only need to measure the diameter. After that he need to click the button which is available on the eyepiece, then he need to rotate the eyepiece, measure the second axis of the diameter and hardness value will be automatically came on the screen. The hardness value which we measure on this machine will be also stored in the machine and it will also give the statistical value of those data like maximum, minimum, average. In fact, in this machine user can also select its conversion scale to other hardness scale by simply clicking on the conversion scale and here he can select these converted hardness value. That means hardness along with the binaural hardness value, converted hardness value will be also come in this machine. Now we are going to show you the procedure of testing on this machine. To perform a test on this machine, user firstly need to select the scale from the touch screen panel. After selecting the scale, user need to focus its component. After focusing the component, need to click on start. As this machine is auto turret, our turret automatically rotate and taking the indentation. After applying the major load, machine stop for a dwell time which is already input in the machine. Then it will unload the major load. After that, turret again move and impression will be directly seen on the eyepiece. After completion of the test cycle, user need to measure the impression. Then need to click the button, then rotate the axis of the eyepiece. Then again after measuring the impression need to click the button and our hardness value came. So this is the procedure of testing in this machine. This machine also comes with an inbuilt printer. That means the hardness value which we measure in the machine, whose printout can be also taken from the inbuilt printer which is available in the machine. To take the printout, user only need to go to print button. Here he need to select the data from where to where he need to take the printout. After that he need to click on print. Thank you for your attention and we hope you will consider this revolutionary new tester for your hardness testing need. If you have any query or you want to get any further detail, you can contact us on our given mail ID or our contact detail. Thank you.